Hello friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. In the previous video, we have already discussed inward, forward direction, in backward direction, slice operator, and we have already given various examples on slice operator. So if you miss the video, then you can go to click my I button link and you will get the description of that video. You can get all the Python notes or Python videos from there, from my Python playlist. So let's start our next video. The next video is on mathematical operator for string. The next video is mathematical operator for string. So what are the operators that are present in mathematics? Plus operator for concatenation, minus operator for repetition. Suppose print double inverted comma virat plus double inverted comma colon. So the plus symbol will concatenate the two string virat colon. Next, print virat double inverted comma into 2 virat will print 2 times. Virat will print 2 times. To use plus operator for string, compulsorily both arguments should be string type. Both arguments should be string type. To use star operator for string, compulsorily one argument should be int. That means in first case, when we are using plus operator, 2 strings are needed. One string operator and one int operator will not going to take place, or the operator will not grant the permission. But in star asterisk operator for string, compulsorily one argument should be int. Next, len, inbuilt function. Len means length, which is inbuilt function of Python, which is inbuilt Python of function. We can use len function to find the number of characters present in the string. We can use len function to find the number of characters present in the string. Suppose we are taking an example. S is a variable. In S is equal to virat. Print len of S. It will show 5. It will show 5. That means here 5 characters are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That is V, I, R, A and T. Okay. The len function is an inbuilt function. Next our topic is comparison of string. So we can use comparison operator such as lesser than equal to, greater than, and greater than equal to. And equality operator, equal, not equal to for string. Comparison will be performed. This comparison of string will be performed based on alphabetical order. Suppose we are taking an example. S1, input, enter a string. S2, input, enter second string. If S1, that means the value stored in S1 is equal to S2, print both strings are equal. Very good. The next is else if s2 s1 less than s2, that means whatever string format is present in s1 that is less than s2, print first string is less than second string, else print first string is greater than second string. Here if elif and else, if elif and else is working. Okay, so what will be the output? In the first case, suppose enter string virat, enter second string also virat, so both string are equal, both string are equal. In the second case, in the second case here, in the second case, in the first string we have to enter virat and we enter Saurav in the second string, then first string is less than the second string. Enter first string virat, in the enter second string Anil, first string is greater than, first string is greater than second string. So there are three outputs and we have already given you the comparison of string along with len, that is len function which is an inbuilt function, and the concatenation of string, how the concatenation will take place, plus operator minus operator repetition will take place. So friend, for today this is all. If you want to like my channel, then please click like and subscribe my channel, share my channel and recommend my channel to your friends, and I will give these videos every week so that you can get a better idea on Python. If you want to get more video on Python, please subscribe my channel and like my channel, and the link will be provided in the I button, so you can get my other videos on C, Java and also in Python. Thank you friends, thank you for today, thank you.